Students and staff at the College of New Caledonia had a glimpse of cold snap music over their lunch break. Jake Morley is one musician taking part in the Cold Snap Festival. He and musician Benedict Beattie took turns performing for the college audience. The free concert was meant to show support for international students studying at CNC. The show was followed by an international panel conversation featuring CNC students from several continents.
We have an international panel conversation with students from Suriname, Cameroon, Turkey, Ecuador, Chile, and many other countries. And there are new cultures on CNC campus.